Hey all, do you need some extra help in any subject? Well, I'm here today to talk to you about Takelessons. Takelessons is a online and in-studio, in-person lesson platform where many different instructors from many different walks of life teach many different subjects, including from the music and arts to the sciences to the tech fields even, and SAT prep, all of that, you name it, Takelessons does it. I'm teacher Cody Weinmann. I've been there for teaching there for about 2 or 3 years off and on now. And now I'm starting to teach here full time. My subjects include accompaniment, which could mean, most likely means a piano accompaniment, arrangement and composition, audio engineering and music tech classes. I can help you prep for your auditions, Christian gospel music. I am part of a worship team who does that, so I can help you in that. I also really do lessons in classical piano, classical voice, music composition, music theory, ear training, dictation, music theory. If you need help with songwriting, I do that too. I also work with Pro Tools software. And lately, I've been delving into humanities, history, essay writing, English, studies in creative writing, poetry. I also do voice lessons. So I'm very varied in the way and the subjects that I teach. And those happen to go around my three passions, which happen to be music first, English second, and history third. So if you're looking for somebody who has varied experience in multiple different subjects, come check my link out, check my profile out. I'll do another video showing you possibly how it all works, and I'll see you in the next video.